court's ruling. Mike, thank you for joining us.
Sure, Annie, how are you?
I'm good. So
Good. What
does this mean moving forward?
Well, significantly right now, unless the state appeals this decision, that the voter ID law will not be applicable as it was written until the court hears this case for the full injunction, which I believe is on April 16th.
And Mike, I get the sense the court just did not want to hold an election while there was still a question about the legality of the voter ID law.
Right. What was interesting is the court found basically that the implementation of the law could affect over 200,000 or 20,000 people, and that in essence it was similar to a poll tax. We know that the IDs are free for people. Mm-hmm. The state IDs are free, but to get the IDs, the court found that it would cost people between $9 to $39 to obtain those birth certificates to get the IDs. We are the most restrictive state in the nation when it comes to voter ID. We're the only state in the nation that doesn't allow, for instance, the use of an affidavit if you don't have a voter ID to vote. Indiana, Georgia allows, if you don't have a picture ID, you can get a sworn affidavit saying you are who you are. And I think that led the court to say, look, too many people could be disenfranchised if the court doesn't take some quick action.
And you believe the Republicans will challenge this temporary injunction, or will they just wait until the court date in mid-June?
Yeah, given the significance of this, the defendants in this matter, which is the state of Wisconsin, could appeal. I think that there's a likelihood that they would. They have 14 days to do it. But the problem is the burden that they have to get over is pretty strong. The circuit court found basically that the plaintiffs would probably prevail, would likely prevail at trial, and that if the court didn't issue this order, that there would be significant harm to those people. So, the state could appeal it, but I think that they have a high burden to achieve to overcome this.
All right, Mike Maistelman, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you.